Today we start with HTML responsive forms and tables. These are the main part in HTML. HTML responsive means responsive web design is about HTML and CSS automatically resize, hide, shrink, or enlarge a website to make it look good and good on all devices like desktop, tablets, and phones. If you want our website to display in all devices, for that we can use HTML responsiveness. We can see the example. Go to the inspect. We have seen that for responsive check. Here we can, for that, for laptop it's showing like this. And if you want to check responsiveness, minimize. See, our page is responsive for all devices. Data 1, data 2, it is going to shrink. For that, we will use HTML responsive. Viewport, this is this will set viewport of your page. In HTML also, we will see viewport, name viewport, we can see it, which will give the browser instruction on how to control web page dimension. We can see content width initial. Max width property. This property is set to 100%. The image will scale down if it has to be never scale up to the large. Viewport width. We can see here. Viewport width. We generally use HTML responsiveness with media query. Here we can see we have used media query instead. We can see that at the rate media, if my, our web page is going to below that width, that 60%, the table will display block or row X auto. We can change our page layout according to our display width. For that we can use media query. Okay. HTML forms are the crucial part of any web development, allowing users to input data. Here we can see we are able to input data name, email. Like form are used to take input from users, basically. And forms are used various purposes such as user registration, login, search, and data submission. Form control. We can use form control here like how many contents like form control this is required. We can use mean length also, mean length, and we can mention how much length, how much character we will allow to use to enter in the name input here. For validation check we can use types, text, mean length, name, value. For that we can use form. Here we can see enter your biodata. We have seen the same example here also. And for table, we can use table tag. Here we can see example table. We can use table tag in that if you want to insert header like here, it's a heading or heading 2. And these are the content of table. data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. For that, we can use table head, and we are implementing the row. That's why we use tr. In that we can use ts. This is a hierarchy for table. And t body we can use same tr td, which are displaying here. Here we can also see the example of table. We can use table attributes like align, background, call span, row span, width, height. We can use it here also. And we can use for table directly, you can implement css to the table also.